The Shiba Inu is frequently referred to as the Dogecoin Killer. But that has not stopped Elon Musk from coming out and publicly declaring the potential of this coin. The Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin have been steadily rising in value despite the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency market. Both meme coins are aiming for $1. Shiba Inu is a decentralized cryptocurrency, unlike Dogecoin, which is traded on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu has a long way to go before it reaches $1, but Dogecoin might be there in a few months. A recent statement from Elon Musk suggests otherwise. Why does Musk think Shiba Inu will once again create overnight millionaires? What is the Shiba Inu prediction for 2022? Stay tuned to find out more. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, Tesla news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. In August 2020, Ryoshi created Shiba Inu, a funny cryptocurrency meme coin, as a direct rival to Dogecoin. There are two reasons why Shiba Inu has gained popularity. As a result of Elon Musk's statement saying he'd want to get his own Shiba dog, the cryptocurrency's value rose by a whopping 300%. Robinhood once included Shiba Inu in their survey, and the price rose by more than 21%. Shiba Inu token will soon be listed on social media networks such as Twitter and Reddit. Elon Musk said at a conference in California that he believes US regulators should let Shiba Inu coin and crypto fly unhindered. For Ryoshi's idea to burn tokens utilizing the NFTs, Satoshi Kasama affirmed that Ryoshi was on the right track. In the wake of news about Coinbase and Robinhood's crypto hints, news outlets have reported that Shiba Inu may be on another bull run, which may create overnight millionaires, as hinted by Elon Musk. But to what extent do you expect the Shiba Inu coin to rise after these predictions? If you have no idea of how Shiba Inu has made millionaires before, then let us give you something to think about. One morning on April 17th, two brothers in Westchester, New York, woke up to find themselves billionaires owing to an improbable gamble on a cryptocurrency that was initially conceived as the subject of a joke. In order to maintain their privacy, Tommy, 38, and James, 42, asked CNN not to print their last names. They invested a little sum of money in Shiba Inu coin, the cryptocurrency that's a spoof of Dogecoin. Although the value of one coin was negligible, a buddy who happened to be knowledgeable about cryptocurrency informed them that he thought it had the potential to be a significant moneymaker. It's conceivable for people to make about tens of thousands of dollars using Bitcoin, but the two decided to invest in Shiba Inu, which had greater potential and was on the rise. After their initial investment, the lives were transformed in less than 2 months. Instead of sending him a thank you card, they gave him $1 million. Now, in February, the value of cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed, while traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and the lesser-known altcoins have been disregarded or mocked by Wall Street for years. Cryptos are suddenly attracting extraordinary interest. According to CoinDesk, the value of Bitcoin has increased by 10% in the last 2 weeks, while the value of Shiba Inu, a satirical cryptocurrency worth less than $1, has increased by over 41%. Because of this, cryptocurrency investments may seem exceedingly volatile. Prices have a reputation for being volatile. But it's also possible that a hacked server, erased file, or forgotten password may leave investors without access to their cash for the rest of their lives. James and Tommy threw the dice, each placing a $200 wager. They also discussed the concept with their parents, siblings, and a few other members of their family. In spite of their doubts, Tommy's mother and sister also contributed $100 apiece. They added another $100 apiece after a few weeks, when it had increased by roughly 300%, and it continued to rise. Nearly $8,000 was contributed by the family. After a rough start to the year, Shiba Inu coins are leading the way in the recovery of cryptocurrencies. In only 1 week in January, the value of cryptos dropped by $1 trillion. This week's 36% surge in Shiba Inu outpaced Bitcoin and Ethereum by more than 30%, making Shiba Inu the most popular cryptocurrency. The value of Shiba Inu is now ranked 14th among all the cryptocurrencies. it's worth almost $17 billion. At the time of making this video, the price of one SHIB coin is $0.00003071. According to cryptocurrency hedge fund partner Ishan Arora, Bitcoin and Ethereum, both rebounding off the lows, have given investors confidence in other currencies like Shiba Inu, which have also rallied off weeks of downturn. But what caused the recent surge? Unification, a blockchain solutions provider located in Singapore that has recently collaborated with Amazon and Google, announced a partnership with the Shiba Inu community on February 5th. On top of Ethereum, Unification divides Shibarium, a two-layer chain. It is only in the Shiba ecosystem that Shibarium will be able to facilitate trade and numerous transactions. For example, Unification claims it allows for quick, low-cost transactions targeted for gaming. Shiba Inu has also begun collaborations with the burger joint Wellies. Wellies will be the only SHIB-themed restaurant powered by the community, according to Satoshi Kusama, the coin's most prominent advocate. Aside from integrating NFT and the Shiba Inu blockchain into their company, Kusama also stated that Wellies would benefit from its integration. The last weeks have seen a reversal in the direction of the crypto market. The federal government, on the other hand, expects stricter monetary measures in the future. Critics doubt Shiba's rise in the long run. They see it as a high-risk investment with potential upside. But Elon Musk sees the opposite. That's not the only thing driving the rise of Shiba Inu. Shiba's creators have recently revealed intentions to establish a metaverse, with leash holders anticipated to be the first to acquire land in the virtual world. Users in a metaverse can converse with one another in virtual reality environment. The Doge Killer's popularity has risen by 92% after the story broke. Sean Heng, Vice President of Growth and Operations at CoinMarketCap, stated that for Leash, the Shiba Lands metaverse announcement is very big. In reality, the meme coin's sole purpose is to kill Dogecoin, as its name suggests. Dogecoin was the go-to meme coin for crypto investors long before Shiba. Critics of Dogecoin, on the other hand, contend that it lacks Shiba's community spirit. The price of Dogecoin, which Tesla CEO Elon Musk has the power to affect on occasion, has witnessed little fluctuation in comparison to Shiba, the Doge Killer, recently. In comparison, Shiba Inu has gained 53% in the last month, while Dogecoin has only gained 2%. Meme coins are based on excitement, with Shiba Inu has seen a big growth this year because of that. Despite Dogecoin's billions in market value, Shiba Inu has surpassed Dogecoin's growth over the past year. In January and February 2022, Shiba Inu's price was boosted by announcements, merchant acceptance, and large events. Prices for Shiba Inu reached an all-time high of $40 billion in October of last year, 158% more than they're currently. In the future, there's room for growth, but there's also room for turbulence. Early in February, Shiba Inu climbed to a market worth of $18 billion, moving up from 14th place in the rankings. As a result, it fell just short of Dogecoin. February 6th and 7th are 2 days on which most of these gains may be tracked. As a result of excellent publicity around SHIB, the stock's value increased by the whopping 41% on those days. Earlier this month, Wellies Hamburger and Fries franchise announced a Shiba rebrand on February 3rd. Additionally, SHIB was an option for payment, and Shiba Inu-themed merchandise was available. SHIB's stock price climbed 7% the next day due to the news. On February 5th, Bigger Entertainment said that 162 million SHIB would be burned on Valentine's Day. Due to this, Shiba Inus will become more scarce, resulting in higher prices. Shiba Inu has gotten most of the publicity, and Dogecoin's trading has been considered quieter since Elon Musk revealed Tesla was taking Doge as a payment for items on January 14th. After the Tesla news, Doge surged to a high of $0.2148, but has subsequently fallen to a low of roughly $0.15. SHIB has its own set of dangers. To begin with, the token's soaring popularity has done nothing to enhance its utility outside of Bitcoin exchanges. But we can all attest that the coin has some potential, according to the crypto directory Cryptwork. SHIB is accepted by 618 businesses worldwide. As a comparison, Doge has been adopted by 2,000 retailers. And that's all for today's video, guys. Do you think Shiba Inu will make crypto millionaires over again? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching and see you next time.